Kim Kardashian, a renowned socialite, reality television star, and a renowned businesswoman, has frequently found herself at the center of the legal controversies. Her high-profile status and the influential presence have both drawn admiration and insecurity, resulting in several notable legal cases that have shaped her public image and personal narratives. In this video, we will dive into the most significant legal cases involving Kim Kardashian, exploring their nature, outcomes, and implications. In 2007, Kim Kardashian became subject of a controversial sex tape that released without her consent. The tape, featuring her and her then boyfriend Ray J, was widely circulated and initiated a media fuss. Kardashian filed a lawsuit against Vivid Entertainment, that company distributed her tape, alleging her privacy and emotional distress. The case was ultimately settled out of the court, with the Kardashian receiving a substantial sum of money and injunction against the tape's further distribution. In the wake of sex tape scandal, several media outlets published articles and made statements Kardashian claimed was discriminatory. She filed lawsuit against the several entities, including Star Magazines and E! News, alleging that they have falsely accused her. The cases were largely settled out of the court. Kardashian received undisclosed amount of money. Kardashian has been involved in numerous trademark infringement lawsuits over the use of her name, image, and the brand. One of the notable cases, she has filed a lawsuit against a company, Kardashian Collection, for allegedly using her name and likeness without her authorization. The case was eventually settled, with the Kardashian obtaining an injunction against the company for using her trademarks. In 2019, Kardashian filed a copyright lawsuit against Instagram influencer Jennifer Martin for using her photograph without her permission. The photograph, which features Kardashian wearing a bikini, was used by Martin to promote a weight loss product. Kardashian claimed that Martin has violated her copyright by using her image without her consent. The case eventually settled, with the Martin agreeing to remove the image and pay Kardashian undisclosed sum of money. In 2002, Kim Kardashian filed a breach of contract lawsuit against Balmain, a luxury fashion house. Kardashian alleged that the Balmain has failed to honor an agreement to pay her for promoting their products on her social media. The case was still ongoing, with the Kardashian seeking damages and injunctive relief. The legal case involving Kim Kardashian has far-reaching implications for her personal life, career, and broader entertainment industry. The sex tape scandal can cast a negative light on Kardashian, but she has managed to overcome the controversy and restore her reputation. The defamation lawsuit sent a strong message to the media outlets about the importance of the truth and accuracy in reporting. The trademark infringement lawsuit has protected Kardashian intellectual property and ensured that her brand remained valuable. Moreover, Kardashian's willingly to pursue legal actions has empowered other celebrities and the public figure to stand up against perceived injustice by using her platform to address issues such as privacy violation, copyright infringement, and breach of contract. Kardashian has set a precedent for demanding accountability and respect within the entertainment industry. Kim Kardashian legal cases has been defining a aspect of a public persona. While some may argue that her legal battles have been drawn by a desire of personal gain, it is undeniable that her actions had been broader implications for entertainment industry and society as a whole. Her legal pursuits, Kardashian has advocated for privacy rights, protected her intellectual property, and challenges media hosts to be more reasonable in their reporting. While some of her legal cases remain ongoing, her past victories and ongoing legal battles has left a mark on the entertainment industry.